Welcome to our guide on how to turn off the keyboard sound on iPhone. So, the first step is to open up your settings app. Second, you should scroll down and find sounds and haptics over here. Alright, next step, you just scroll down a little bit and under System Sounds and Haptics, select Keyboard Feedback over here. And here, next to Sound, just tap on this green icon over here and disable sound. Also, you can disable your vibration. Just tap on haptic over here and it will disable vibration when you type in something on your keyboard. Or you can just do not disable haptic and enable vibration on your keyboard from your iPhone. Then simply you should go back and use your iPhone.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.